Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're not, welcome back. We're glad to have you here. So today we're going to start with lesson número 2, number 2, and we're going to study autopresentación, which is auto presentation, how we present ourselves to other people when we're in a conversation or when we're meeting someone new. So basically, we're going to have a series of dialogues between two people, and we're going to see how the conversation flows between these two in Spanish. So, first of all, we have a man and a woman. The man is going to greet the woman by telling her, Hola, hola. And we've seen this word in lesson number 1, and this means hello. So the man is saying hello to the woman, and the woman is saying hola back, so she's greeting him back. Now we can see that the man asked, ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal means how are you? So he's asking her how she's doing. And she answers, Bien, ¿y tú? Bien, ¿y tú? This means good and you. Bien means good and y tú means and you. So now it's her turn to ask him. So this was our first set of phrases or dialogue that we can actually use to start very, very basic conversation in Spanish. Now here we have two other people and they're having another conversation. So the first guy asks the other, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? He's asking him what's his name. So the other guy says, Me llamo Juan. ¿Y tú? Me llamo Juan. ¿Y tú? So he's telling him, my name is Juan, and you? So this is how he questions him back, asking him about his name. So the first guy is going to answer, Me llamo Carlos. Me llamo Carlos, which means my name is Carlos. And then the other guy says, Encantado. Encantado, which means nice to meet you. So this was our second set of dialogue, and this is another way for you to start a conversation in Spanish when you meet someone new. Now we move on to our third set of dialogues. We have a woman and a man again. So the woman says, Hola, soy Maria. Hola, soy Maria. This means hello, I'm Maria. Soy means I am. And the guy says, Hola Maria, soy Pedro. Hola Maria, soy Pedro. Hello Maria, I am Pedro. So this is another way for you to introduce yourself. And the girl says, Encantada. Encantada, which means nice to meet you, but you should pay attention that this time it wasn't encantado, but it's encantada with an A at the end because she is a female. So when a female is speaking, you say encantada, you put an A at the end of the word, and when a man is speaking, you say encantado because it's like the male version of the word, the masculine version of the word. So now he's going to ask her, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? This means how are you? And we've seen another synonym to this word, which is ¿Qué tal? So she says, Bien, ¿y tú? Good, and you? This means good, and you. And now he's going to say, Yo también. Yo también, which means me too. Yo también means me too. So this was our, third set of dialogues. Now we're going to move on to other dialogues, other phrases that we can use in conversation or when we want to present ourselves to someone we've just met or someone we want to meet. Okay, so yo tengo 9 años. Yo tengo 9 años. The boy is telling the girl that I am 9 years old. Yo tengo means I have. Yo means I. Tengo means have. But if you want to translate it into English, it would be I am 9 years old. And the girl is saying, yo tengo 10 años. Yo tengo 10 años. She's telling him that she's 10 years old. So you say yo tengo, you put the number, and then you say años. This is how you say I'm whatever old you are. Okay, so basically these are very basic phrases that you can start using if you want to introduce yourself to someone, if you want to start a conversation in Spanish, and literally these are like the basics of conversations, so it's very important to have them assimilated. So you can see here we have a little question. Hola, mi nombre es. Can you guess what I'm trying to ask you here, and can you try to answer my question? And here you have another question. Hola, me llamo. Can you try to guess what I'm asking you here? And can you try answering this question? If you get what I'm trying to ask, and if you have the answer, comment down below and share it with us. So as you can see, we're done with lesson número 2. We're going to see the numbers later on, so you can answer the how old are you question and share your age with people you meet or people you already know in Spanish. So yeah, this concludes our lesson number 2. It's very basic, very easy. Take time to assimilate everything, rewatch the video if you need to, and please subscribe to my channel and support us. Like the video, turn on your post notifications for you not to miss any video. And we have an Instagram page if you would like to follow us and support us there. We post a lot of vocabulary and quizzes and all that kind of fun stuff for you to benefit and basically test your Spanish if you'd like to. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Adios.